Hey lads, TechScanning is back with new leaks and we just got the leaked photos of Meta's Quest Pro headset. Someone left it in a hotel room which remembers me of iPhone 4 and Google Pixel Watch. The person who leaked its photos also published a video of it. Leaking images before its launch is very normal, especially in the tech industry. But the funny thing is that the person posted the photos on Facebook. As the Quest is set to announce next month, so I don't think so there will be any significant changes in the design. This VR headset will come with advanced sensors curated for the metaverse. The headset will also support exclusive mixed reality experiences. That's why it will have a premium price tag. Further, Mark Zuckerberg has confirmed the Meta's next VR headset will launch in October and will bring eye contact to virtual reality. A leak suggests the Meta's Quest Pro release date as October 25, 2022, where the orders will start during the Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg's keynote speech during Meta Connect. Considering the Meta Connect conference is happening on October 11, this potential release date could be legitimate. Apart from that, Meta Quest Pro might have the Snapdragon chipset in it, as Meta had just signed a contract with Qualcomm to get chipset for their headsets. What a day! There is nothing better than seeing an unannounced device from such a big company. And that's it for today. Do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.